So you think you got a plumbing problem. You know, I was back here working with some of our field line chambers, and it made me think, you know what? A lot of people do not know where their field lines are. Man, you need to know where your field lines are, and here's the reason why. Is because a lot of times you might want to build an extra outbuilding or a patio, a porch, or a mother-in-law suite or a pool house, and all of a sudden you don't know where the field lines are. So I went on location. I want to show you something. What you're looking at right now, of course, you see the beautiful green grass, but as I begin to pan, you'll notice those 3 brown lines right there in the middle of the yard. That is the field lines. That's your field lines right there. Because this time of year, when 100-degree heat, what you're going to find out is that they're going to show up. They're going to pop up like popcorn, right? And you'll know exactly where they are. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go grab your camera and take a picture of your field lines right now, because you can take a picture of your brown lines, which is your field lines. Even your septic tank will be a big old square that'll be dead, right? Take a picture of it, measure it so you know exactly where it is, because you never know when you want to make an addition, you want to drive your truck over it, or you want to do something, and now you'll know exactly where your field lines are. Hey, it's just an idea, just a thought I got, because a lot of people call me and say, I don't have a clue where my field lines are. Now you can know.